George Matthew Adams once said, "There is nothing called self-made man. We are all made up of thousands of others." The rich tradition, culture, attire, music, dance, language, and festivals were passed on to us with great responsibility, and it is our duty to flourish and pass on our heritage to the future generation. To all the non-Zeliangrong present here, first of all, I'd like to welcome all of you. Here are some few facts about Zeliangrong tribe. The villages of Zeliangrong are found in the districts of Peren, Tamenglong, None, Dima Hasao, Sanapati, and Churachandpur. As per 2011 census, our population is around 3.7 lakhs. Today, as we welcome our freshers, the rest of us should take this time to revitalize the idea of Zeliangrongness, to ignite the spirit of brotherhood and sisterhood. Let us continue to love one another and to inculcate the value of tolerance, and as Swami Vivekananda said, acceptance of one another. To all the freshers, some of the seniors here will leave Delhi in few years, and we hope the freshers...
Excuse me. We have been anticipating, waiting for this very day. We hope you are as excited, just as excited too. We cannot express how thrilled we are to have you all here, to see our family of the Zeliangrong community and our dearest friends gathered here today to celebrate our Freshers Meet 31st, 2021. I would like to welcome our chief guest, guests of honor, Spooner team, NSUD, NSF, representatives of the various tribal units, seniors, elders, and pastors, and every single individual who is here with us today. We have amazing artists with us today. Some who traveled all the way from Manipur to bring life and rhythm to this stage. Your presence graces us. Today is Freshers' Day, and we are all here to celebrate new individuals who are freshly setting out in Delhi with all their potential. But we are also here to celebrate everyone, us, our Zeliangrong family, and our dearest friends. Our Freshers' Day has been cancelled in the years 2019, 2020, and 2021. And after 3 years to come together and many moments of grief, loss, and life is a testament of change and growth. JSUD organizes Freshers Meet, and it is a success because of all the effort and help and assistance that has poured in all sort of ways. It is with you here that we celebrate and observe Freshers Meet. In our midst, we will see many more important figures of our community who have come here to grace our event with their presence. They will be sharing us with all their resourceful insights and priceless pieces of advice. And I believe that today, this moment, this next few hours will be one of those rare moments where one can listen and heed and observe and take in the knowledge and wisdom laid out for all to see. This is a time of rarity like no other. I will end my speech here. Nobody needs reminding, but this is our most awaited event. Let us all live to the fullest. Thank you all very much.
It's Brotherhood, and the name of our song is called Zeliangrong Ringtelo. And it's a new song that we just came up with, so we may not be able to fulfill your expectations. Let's just have fun and remember that we're all brothers. And we have submitted the track, so...
Hello. Hello. Hello.
In the meantime, I just want to introduce our members. We have Brother Sunny Kamai, and then we have Brother Vince Naga, and his brother Vianney Rongmai. He's also a sponsor. He's the one sponsoring this event, and Liamtra. So kindly support Liamtra as well. You can download the app and use the service. It's started by our own people. We have submitted the backing track to the in charge yesterday, so you can start the track whenever it's ready.
Hello, check. Hello, hello. Check.
Come on, everybody say Zeliangrong, Zeliangrong. Makamay kwang tupuli. Come on, everybody say Zeliangrong, Zeliangrong. Makamay kwang tupuli. Come on, everybody say Zeliangrong, Zeliangrong. Makamay kwang tupuli. Zeliangrong we take low. Zeliangrong we take low. Zeliangrong we take low. Hari ko sa tuwanang hinrani kay Hinliu. Show us the values of our freedom and our right. Thousand generations, now we have come so far. Traveling all across the mountains and the hills. To Kabin, all the way from Makel. Trekking across the valleys, the rivers and the plains. And then we came to Chuanfuning to create the legacy of Marie. Forefathers came to Chuanfuning to create the legacy of Marie. Whoa, Zeliangrong we did low. Nga pagmaygway gaye gwang lungda kangday yai anyo makam dita kwang kum kwang pui di yai aku ka king pui di yai. Come on, everybody say Zeliangrong, Zeliangrong. Come way kwang tupuli. Come on, everybody say Zeliangrong, Zeliangrong. Come way kwang tupuli. Come on, everybody say Zeliangrong, Zeliangrong. Come way kwang tupuli. Zeliangrong we did low. Zeliangrong we did low. Zeliangrong we did low. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Assembly, Manipur. Guest of honor, Sri K. Ilun Dang, General Secretary, Naga Hoho. Special guest, we have around 64, 65 special guests present here. Special invitees from Spooner team, NSUD team, NSF team, various tribal units representatives of NSUD, freshers, seniors, and my fellow sisters and brothers. I just want to say I'm elated to be with you all today as we celebrate this 31st annual Zeliangrong Freshers Meet, Zeliangrong Students Union Delhi Freshers Meet 2022. We have made this far today by the patchwork of each and every individual contributions, support, and love quilt in together. It is not just of this year alone, from 5 years ago or 10 years ago, but it starts from the beginning of this students' organization 31 years ago. Whatever level we have come up with today is because of the efforts and sacrifices rendered by our senior leaders, elders, and well-wishers who love its people since the beginning, including our today's chief guest who pioneered this organization as one of the leaders during his time in Delhi. They are the ones who love our people, believe in our future, and told us the truth even when it is not easy to hear. As we sit here in this auditorium, let us find our own way to express our gratitude for all the steps and missteps that have led us to this common destination today. To all the freshers here today present, I have had the pleasure and honor to greet you all in this beautiful and wonderful manner with special name dedicating to you as Freshers Meet. I would like to say that Kamai. So these are our amazing team members that have been working all day and night for this event particularly. And not only that, we have been working really hard for our community since the beginning of our tenure. And this, as a president, I am nothing without this team. So shall we give a round of applause to this team? Well, as we remain standing here, I would like to also take this time again to give a little bit of our token of appreciation and gratitude to our chief guests and guest of honor. And I would like to request the volunteers to So I request our sir, chief guest and guest of honor come over the stage.
A big round of applause for each and every one of them.
It should be a joyous day for us because today it marks a day for someone who begins his life journey. A day will come where he or she will achieve something. So I want every one of us to be happy. Don't be too serious, but let us welcome our brothers and sisters. And today, the song which I'm going to sing, it really inspires me and also encourages me whatever I do and whenever I think of doing something. The song says like, everyone has a dream, everyone has a goal, and everyone thinks that I will have a hero's welcome, a day when I achieve something, where everyone sees my face and they will welcome me. Coming here to Delhi, it's going to be a journey where we will have ups and downs. But let us be strong. Let us focus on our goal. And I will say to myself that I will go the distance. So let us all keep this in our mind. And I want to dedicate this song to all the freshers, including me, because I'm also as freshest this year. Let's enjoy this song. Trick. Of a far-off place where our heroes welcome would be waiting for me, where the crowds would cheer when they see my face, and a voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. Go the distance, I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate. Though that road may wander, it will lead me to you. And 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see it through. And I won't look back. I can go the distance and I'll stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance and my journey complete. Oh yeah, but to look beyond the glory is the hardest part. For a hero's fate is measured by his heart. We should be like a shooting star, you know? Like a shooting star. apart. I can go the distance till I find my heroes. Welcome waiting your I will search the world. I will face its arms till I find my heroes. Welcome waiting in your arms. Thank you and God bless you all.
Zeliangrong! 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 Thank you. I think that adds another spirit of oneness. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I thank God for this wonderful moment. The day that I have never dreamt of, neither expected myself to be standing in front of you. I give all honor and glory to God for making me stand among my Zeliangrong people here in Delhi. I think we must continue to give thanks to God for His bountiful blessings. In spite of our many limitations, God has been so kind to our people, the Zeliangrong community. And today, in different capacities, our people are scattered around the world. And that's the reason why we have to keep thanking our Almighty God. Secondly, I thank the organizers, the Zeliangrong Students Union Delhi, the Zeliangrong community based in Delhi, for inviting me and my friends to be a part of your freshers meet. I also congratulate the freshers, those who are gathered here in Delhi. You have taken up the challenges, leaving your homes, leaving your comforts, and you have come over to Delhi with a dream, with a vision to do something great for the people, for our people. I congratulate new heights. May God bless upon all of you. May God take care of you and lead forward to where you dream for. Thirdly, my deepest respect to our honorable chief guest of this session. I'm so happy that today we are meeting in person. I have heard lots about him, and though in person we have not met, it is always my prayer that through his leadership, our people will be able to move forward. My respect also goes to the senior leaders, the officers, high-ranking officers, pastors, church workers. It is because of your presence, it is because of your support that the Zeliangrong community living in Delhi have been progressing year by year. And we are back home, we are always...
It's all right. We are family.
Freshers from 2020 to 2022.
Okay, even the pandemic freshers,
Yes.
you are still
pandemic
invited.
Freshers. Freshers 2020-2022.
Yes, now
I
we
know
have
there
more
is
people.
more. Please come up. We would like to see your face. We have a special gift for you. 4 ladies. More ladies. I'm expecting more ladies.
I think we have more. Please, yes, yes. There are more. Yes, there's one more. Please force your friend, or if it's your sister, brother, please tell them to come up. We have something very exciting for you.
Let's all give a big round of applause for all these freshers. Okay, I request all the freshers to come a little forward. Thank you so much. Thank you. Beautiful ladies and gentlemen, beautiful faces. Thank you so much. I request all the freshers to take your time one after another. Introduce yourself, the place you belong, and the purpose of your stay here in the capital city. And I also request you to remain on stage because Zeliangrong Students Union Delhi has a very special gifts for you all. So let's begin with the ladies.
Can we make it alternative? So you are also contesting for Miss and Mr. Fresher. That's the so that's the catch here. Can you please alternate, like one man, one female, man, female? Can you please alternate? So like, yeah, in between, yes, just come in between. Yes. So since there are lesser female, one female in between two male, that will help. Yeah. Yeah. Somewhere here, I feel pity for these people, man.
Okay, you can move a little that side.
Can you move a bit?
Yeah. So that all of you will see. And
A
another.
little more, a little more.
We have 4 panel of judges. The first one are Sir Jeremiah Pame, Assistant Professor, Delhi University. Akai Liu Rimai, Assistant Professor, Delhi University. Uma Kamai, Assistant Professor, Delhi University. Sing Sing Pame, our beautiful entrepreneur and actor. So these are the 4 panel of judges. All the best to all the freshers. We can start from you.
So one more thing, a reminder again, your name, where you came from, and your purpose here in Delhi. Please introduce briefly, and the judges can count their number 1, 2, 3 like this. As you judge them, you can start.
My name is Zeliangrong. I'm from Zeliangrong.
A big round of applause, please. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon to all. First of all, I would like to thank for this opportunity. My name is Kuidalung and I'm from Zeliangrong district. Actually, I'm here for my father's study. And thank you so much once again for your warm welcome. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Angao Pamay from Liangmai community. I'm 18 years old and I love to sing and read. Currently, I am preparing for a national eligibility entrance exam and I'm so glad to be part of this program. Thank you so much.
Afternoon, folks. My name is Ringne Kam Naime. I'm from New Maglong of Zeliangrong district, Manipur. And I'm here as a student attending coaching class for an examination. And last day, I'd like to say that I'm feeling very great to be here in such an event. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Zeliangrong Rongmei. I'm from Manipur, currently residing in Delhi Kishangarh Basan Kunj.
And currently, I'm working in BPO, but I'm also planning for a further study. That's all. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Zeliangrong. I'm from Manipur, Makui village. I'm from Lengmai community, and I'm here for my music purpose. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Kinpat Pame. I'm from the Menglong district. I live in Kishangarh. Thus, I'm staying in Delhi.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tan Gengmai. I'm from Tamenglong, and my purpose to come here is to learn music, and I have done my grade 5 piano exam. Thank you all.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ngamsin Longmai, and I'm from Manipur. And I went to Venki pursuing sociology honors, and I'm from 2020 batch. It's really happy to be here on stage to see new faces. And that's all. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Johnson Kamai. I'm from Khopum Gadimsing, Manipur, and right now I'm staying in Motibag, New Delhi, and I'm pursuing Chartered Accountant Foundation right now, and my hobby is reading some novels book. It was nice to meet all of my brothers and all of my children. Thank you.
Hello, a very good evening to everyone. My name is Kaning Nokliu Samro Panmai, and I'm from Tamenglong in Zeliangrong village, and I came here for my further studies, and currently now I'm studying Japanese language in Nihongai Transforming Institute. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Gangmai. I'm from Kobum, Nole district. And right now I'm staying in Modibag, and I'm learning photography in Delhi College of Photography, DCOP. Thank you.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Melody Palme. I come from the city of Imphal, Manipur, and currently I'm pursuing my BA honors in political science, third year in Dolagram College. Hobbies, I have no specific hobbies as such, but I love cooking and listening to music. And yeah, lastly, I'm very privileged to be a part of this beautiful event. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Grace Taimai from Sengai Namdai village, Manipur. The purpose of me coming to Delhi is to seek for a job, and I'm working as a music teacher in St. Thomas School, Delhi. And I'm also here for the Miss Contest, Freshers Miss Contest.
A big round of applause, yeah. We have so many talented people, from CA to photography to BA to people working. We're so happy that you guys came up. And now I'd like to give the time to ZSUD for presentation. ZSUD members. A big round of applause, please.
Thank you so much. Photographers, please take a good picture of our freshers. Thank you so much, all the freshers. Now you can take your seat again. Thank you so much.
1 second, not to be confused, your numbers, please remember your number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, specs 11, 12, 13, 14. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you to all the freshers.
Fellowship Delhi. Kapunzo Gonmai, CEO IV Healthcare Limited, Kuijung Panme, Zemeli Siname Delhi Governor, Linda Newmai, social activist, Lieutenant Colonel Agi Wangliu Newmai, Base Hospital, Delhi Cantonment, Delhi. Yes, Ma'am Linda. Yeah. Lucas L. Kamson, Joint Secretary Admin, Parliament and DGLL, Ministry of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Government of India. Lungpubao Aponmai, Sub-Inspector, Delhi Police. Lungzang Timothy Rongmai, Entrepreneur. Major Moses Chawang, retired. Michael Pamai, Manager Intellectual Property, Clarivate. Nampibao Marinmai, Public Relations Officer, Ministry of Defense, Government of India. Namthon Lungbao Newmai, President, LKRD. Ndahe Luikang, Administrative Officer, Embassy of the Republic of Korea. Obed Zeme, musician. Pamai Ningmai, Deputy Secretary, Hill Area Committee, Government of Manipur. Pantithan Panmai, entrepreneur. Peichun Gangmai, President, RCPD. Ramo Kamai, Associate Professor, Delhi University. Rebecca Remmai, entrepreneur. Reverend Dr. Kadimna Gangmai, Pastor, GGCD. Reverend Dr. Kamtui Panmai, Pastor, BCD. Sangjin Kamson, advocate. Sri Mani Charanamai, former MP, Outer Manipur. Sri Rajan Kapui, Undersecretary, Department of Telecommunications, Ministry of Communications, Government of India. Sri Z. Kikonbao Nyumai, former MLA, Manipur. Sintui Lungangmai, past Assistant Professor, Delhi University. Somray Gangmai, Pastor, RCFG. Stephen Diswang, President, AZSU. Thomas Kamai, Pastor, CBCD. Uma Kamai, Assistant Professor, Delhi University. Witsam Sinbo, Alex Nkapui Namai, Pastor, DCC. Lanchun Lungpao Panmai, Vice President, Quality. Sitas AMC, India. TL Kapui, RPD Chairman, Assistant General Manager, Airports Authority of India. United Brothers, Delhi Representative. Dimkulung Pamai, Senior Audit Officer, CAG. Now I request our President and our Chief Guest to come over the stage and hand over the gift we have prepared. Yeah. President and Chief Guest. Yeah. Okay, I request the volunteers to kindly, yeah. So guys, these are our Zeliangrong strongholds of Zeliangrong Community Delhi.
Let's be generous in clapping. Come on, louder.
Yeah, next, we also have some important officials and guests who are here today. I will call Kaisa Chakre, Secretary Games and Sports, Naga Students Federation, Ili Anitoli Yepto, and Isaac Inca, former Isaac Inca from Jawaharlal Nehru University. And I also want to request all the units under NSUD who have come here. I have two names of the units, and even others who are here, please come and join us. First one is Chakasang Students Union and Zeliangrong Students Union in Pui. All the executives who are here, please come here on the stage. And I also request any NSUD executive who are here to kindly come up on the stage. Naga Students Union Delhi executives, please come here. Okay, this requires no introduction. This special police unit for Northeastern region has been our stronghold. Like they have been there for us in times of emergency. Like they have made their existence and their presence in Delhi have made all our the problems that we used to face as a community in times of accidents, in times of untimely deaths, or in times of police handling police cases. They have been always there to tackle the cases from the beginning till the end. I want to acknowledge them. There are 4 officials' names that I have here, but if there are more, please join them. Inspector Nauren Amarjit Singh, Inspector Kamin Yen Nesial, SI Ilyap Khangra, and SI Ngalung Mungram. So if you are here, please kindly join on the stage. Spooner Teen. Okay, if they are not present, let's any executives from any units, any churches, like elders who are here, please come. I might have missed out some people, so if you know anyone, please please. All right, I request the volunteers to kindly come and present them the gifts. I'm really sorry. I request our guest of honor to please do the honor of presenting our gifts to our guest here, special guest here.